National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, South Central Morris County in northern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bridgewater to Bedminster, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms may impact first responders responding to storms from earlier this evening across the warned area. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Pearl Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Ewing, Carteret, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Mandel, Ferguson, Doylestown, and Durham. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 9 and 12, Northeast extension between mile markers 32 and 35, Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 18 and 42, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 65 and 76, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 126 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county.